Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Lazuli buntings change their feather colors based on nesting sites, and we need to analyze this graph to find the best claim. Let's solve this. Look at the graph to see how the population shifts over many generations. The data shows two distinct peaks forming at the extreme ends of the color spectrum for these birds. This pattern identifies disruptive selection, where both dull brown and bright blue feathers are favored. The intermediate colors are actually decreasing in frequency because they have lower fitness in this habitat. While other options guess about predators or mating, only option C correctly describes the bimodal distribution shown in the actual data provided. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given data to find the right trend.